Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about one of the killer features of Samsung Galaxy Wearable App, and this feature is called Auto Switch. And I have also only recently discovered this feature, and I've been using it for some time now because I have multiple Galaxy wearable devices. I've got Galaxy Watch Active 2, Galaxy Watch 3, Galaxy Watch Gears 3, and now I also have Galaxy Fit 2. So I keep switching between these devices because I have to make these videos and I have to test them out. And this feature allows me to switch between these devices flawlessly. It's called Auto Switch, as I've mentioned. So if you go in Galaxy Wearable App, as you can see here right now, it's connected to Galaxy Fit 2 because that's the watch that I've put on. If you go in this menu here, you will find out Auto Switch, and if you tap here, you will see all your devices that have been connected with this app at one point or another, and if you have not reset them. So I've got Galaxy Watch 3, Galaxy Watch Active 2 and Fit 2 here, which is connected right now because it's the active device. I'm wearing it. Now if I want to take off my Galaxy Fit 2 and put on Galaxy Watch 3, you will see what happens here, and it all happens automatically without me even touching or tapping any buttons here or there. So I'm putting on Galaxy Watch 3 now, and now you will see that it will change automatically to Galaxy Watch 3. So there you go. As you have seen here, converts to Galaxy Watch 3 automatically, flawlessly. It takes a bit of time. Sometimes it takes longer, sometimes it's very quick, but it does change automatically by itself. You won't even have to do a thing. Just put it on your watch and you're good to go. Now if I take it off again, let's try this again and put on my Galaxy Fit 2, you will see that it will change again. And there you go. Even before I buckle it in, it's connecting to Galaxy Fit 2. And all done, automatically, all by itself. And that's the beauty of Samsung's ecosystem with its devices, its own software. Obviously it is undermined by lack of apps because developers aren't supporting Tizen OS, and that's why now they have to merge with Wear OS. And I really do hope that this feature makes it onto Tizen Wear OS venture as well. But it's a brilliant feature to have. You can have multiple Galaxy watches and trackers and switch between them multiple times in a day. So if you want to go to a gym, you don't want to put on a watch because it's heavy or whatever, you can put on a fitness tracker. Don't have to worry about the app. It connects by itself and you're good to go. The auto switch feature will make sure that you are always connected to your phone automatically in the background. It's such a great feature. So that's about it from this video, guys. Now I want to hear from you. If you have any particular favorite features from any Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Wearable app, it would be great if you could share it with us and with the community in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.